Even with higher cost of inflation, can you make more money out on the road? Let's find out. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the RideShare Guy. And today we're going to be talking about a few different ways that people are continually making more money now because of higher gas prices, less drivers on the road, and maximizing the amount that they can make using things like promotions, quests, and other bonuses that both Uber and Lyft have to offer so they can continue making more money even though inflation and gas is at an all-time high. All right, so let's take a look at this screenshot right now from a driver in the Phoenix, Arizona market where they made over $4,000 in 1 week. Now, if you look at the screenshot, you can see from March 21st to March 28th, they made $4,286.56. Yeah, they were behind the wheel quite a bit with 66 hours and 161 trips, but this is where they really maximized their earnings because of the quests and the promotions that were going on in the market that they were in. Like I said, Phoenix, Arizona. So you could see as the breakdown, you got the net fare of just over $2,000, but you have promotions of $1,811. So yeah, that is $1,800 in extra promotions that they were trying to get. And obviously, these were two quests that were going on. One was 80 rides, and then another was 80 rides for both the weekdays and the weekend. That's why you have 161 rides. But it shows you that you can still earn money by maximizing your time by actually using the promotions that are available to you. And if you have the time to be able to put as much effort as you can in driving, that means you can maximize the amount that you could earn, which maybe in other weeks, if you have other things going on, you can attend to better. Now, a huge disclaimer is that not all of these promotions are going to be available in every market. It's based on how many people are getting rides from the week before, how many they're expecting from historic values, how many they're expecting as well based on their projections, and how many drivers are out on the road. But when we polled other drivers and asked them, are they still driving because of high gas prices? 11% said that they stopped driving. That means that there's still rides coming in and drivers need to take those rides. So Uber has been boosting some promotions in certain markets, and a couple of promotions out there were if you gave 80 rides within one of those two quest periods per week, either the weekday or the weekend, you could see an extra $700, $800, $900. So it's just a matter of how much you want to get out there and how much you can drive. Now, what are some of the promotions that you're seeing in your market, either from Uber or from Lyft? And are you maximizing the amount that you could earn by utilizing these promotions and kind of scheduling your time around them? Because if you're not yet, you really should be. And one last thing. Are you seeing some weird things over the last couple of promotions when it comes from Uber? And what I'm talking about for my market, at least, the last couple of weeks have been pretty good when it came to all of the quests and the promotions that you could choose. So 80 rides, 70 plus 10, usually would be anywhere between 400 and 460 per promotion. And then as you started going down in the tiers, maybe 20 plus 10, you would still get like $300 or something like that. I can't remember specifically, but right now what I'm seeing is you'll get like $400 at the 70-10 part, but then when you go to the 20 and 10 part, it's like $25. So what are you seeing in your market? Comment below, let us know. And then what's better, Uber or Lyft? Well, that's a question that's always been asked. Which one's better and what one's better to drive for? So why don't you check out this video next, and it's going to talk about what one is better and what you should do if you are evaluating becoming an Uber or Lyft driver. Check that out, and also make sure you subscribe and ring the bell for notifications so you'll be notified of all our new content. All right, everybody, drive safe.